Today, we will explore how to make various homemade lip scrubs that are both easy to create and highly effective. These simple recipes use natural ingredients to keep your lips soft, smooth, and well-nourished. Taking care of your lips is essential because they lack oil glands, making them more prone to dryness and chapping. Lip masks and scrubs help by exfoliating dead skin cells and providing deep hydration, leaving your lips smooth, soft, and healthy. So let's learn how to make lip scrubs and masks together. Honey and brown sugar lip scrub. For this lip scrub, you would need 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Step 1. Mix honey and brown sugar in a small bowl until well combined. Step 2. Apply the mixture to your lips using a clean finger or a lip brush. Step 3. Gently massage in circular motions for about 1 to 2 minutes. Step 4. Leave it on for an additional 5 minutes. Step 5. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. We included honey into this lip scrub. Honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture, making lips soft and supple. As for the brown sugar is gentle exfoliant that removes dead skin cells, revealing smoother lips. Cucumber and mint lip mask. For this lip mask, you would need 1/4 of a cucumber and a few mint leaves. Step 1. Blend cucumber into a smooth paste and crush the mint leaves. Step 2. Mix the cucumber paste with crushed mint leaves. Step 3. Apply the mixture to your lips. Step 4. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Step 5. Rinse off with cool water and pat dry. We used cucumber in this recipe because cucumbers hydrates and soothes lips due to its high water content. As for the mint, it provides a cooling sensation and stimulates blood flow, making lips appear fuller and healthier. Shea butter and coconut oil lip mask. For this lip mask, you would need 1 tablespoon of shea butter and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Step 1. Mix shea butter and coconut oil in a small bowl until well combined. Step 2. Apply the mixture to your lips. Step 3. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Step 4. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. For this recipe, we used shea butter, due to it being rich in vitamins and fatty acids that deeply moisturize and protect lips. We used coconut oil because coconut oil adds extra hydration and has antibacterial properties which are really beneficial for the lips. Yogurt and honey lip mask. For this lip mask, you would need 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and 1 teaspoon of honey. Step 1. Combine yogurt and honey in a small bowl. Step 2. Apply the mixture to your lips. Step 3. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes. Step 4. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. We used yogurt in this lip mask because yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and smooths the lips. These recipes use natural ingredients that are generally safe and effective, making them great options for keeping your lips soft and healthy. So please consider giving these a try.